First off, I think it's kind of weird that like you're being so like jealous. We just met, honestly. All right, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. Dang, you're fine too. Do that first. I'm gonna have to pass you to the team. Sorry. I can't do this. I can't do this scene. Turn that down. You're gonna give me a copyright. I know. Stop. Look at this. You got me pillow talking. This just isn't working. All right, that's enough messing around. Listen up. So quiet. I should have did this yesterday when I had the exhaust on here. My bad, guys, but I'm gonna go do a little bit of, got a little head strap, got the DJI action too. Let's go do some POV stuff and have some fun before we take off the rest of the stuff. Part 2, let's go. Alrighty, boys, looks like we got a red light. Oh yeah, man, this thing takes off really good. I can't believe how quiet it is though. Damn auto start stop, dude. Hey, might be able to get some turbo noises through here. Oh damn it, there's 12. Okay, he turned. Oh shit, there's another one. I almost nailed it too. Oh my gosh, this would have been so bad. We are map 3 E30 JB4. We got the Logic TCU tune, engine intakes. Now I did take off the catback exhaust yesterday. Crazy, this thing just feels like a luxury, like some AMG or something. In 2021 Kia Stinger GT all-wheel drive. We got the red leather interior with the black Aurora pearl on the outside. I'll pull over real quick, give you guys a quick look at it. We are in the middle of the country, so I guess I could just stop right here. So yeah, this is a 2021 Kia Stinger GT all-wheel drive. We have the black Aurora pearl. Just got out of the car wash. But guys, I have plenty of videos on my channel if you want to check it out. We have some nice cool turbo weather today, so I figured we would just go out and give it a little spin. We're gonna go sport mode, traction off, and let's just have some fun. Ooh yeah. When it comes to power, guys, let me tell you right now, stock, this thing does not behave this way. But with a couple grand, I mean, you can really, really, really wake this thing up. You know, we're in comfort mode right now, and if you just kind of like step on it a little, and automatic, look, I'm at 65, 70, like that. It's effortless. It's just effortless. The power is awesome. And like I said, JB4, put some E30 in there, get yourself some spark plugs. You don't have to do much to this car, and it just wakes up like crazy. And just a lot of options. I have downpipes, water meth injection, you name it, there's a mod out there for it. I'm gonna be taking those off. I'm making a couple moves right now in life, but I am so grateful to have owned this car for 2 years. It's just been such a wonderful car. Everywhere I go, I get asked about it. To this day, especially with the mods that I have and everything, it will get a ton of attention. So, you know, if you're like a person that doesn't like a lot of attention, this probably isn't a good car to get, but it's a great conversation starter, and I've met a ton of awesome people along the way that also have Stingers. Made some really good friends. This car will forever hold a very special place in my heart. If you guys have any questions about this car, please drop them down below. I'm still gonna be around to answer your questions. It's been a great car. It's been such a solid car, and it's got plenty of room. The all-wheel drive system is freaking phenomenal. There's just so many options that you can, you know, carbon fiber shift paddles. I mean, there's just so many things you can get for this car. It's amazing. So, and that's a good day. Even though I lost half my footage on this little shit, we still got some good footage. Hey, Callie. What is that on your face?
Makeup on, it's off cut.
You got makeup on? Are you? How come you look so pretty today? High five?
Yeah.
I love you. Yeah, I was just out driving around and I met up my friend for some baba tea and I was missing you, so I came back.
Oh.
You want to be on twin turbo?
I guess this one time.
Did you watch my video that I told everyone I'm selling the car? The Stinger going away.
I'm gonna say I didn't really care for this too much because it was too loud. It's like real loud, and I think it's a little bit too black.
Too black?
Yeah.
Oh man, I love black cars. That's my favorite though.
Well, and I don't like the brand of it, and that's.
You don't like Kias?
No.
AMG, BMW, or Audi? Which one? If you had to pick one, which one?
Try a BMW.
Ooh, Beamer girl. She said BMW. Kind of like Kia. Did you miss me today?
Yeah.
Hey, I wanted to go to the art store and get some art supplies and start doing art again. I figured we could do some drawing or sketching or painting. What do you think?
Not one.
Create or die.
Now we have company because we need to spend time.
Okay, we'll spend time with Uncle Adam.
Okay.
And then I got to start taking off all the stuff on this car because I'm going to sell it.
So, do you still have the loud exhaust on here?
That's what's on the floor over there.
Oh, the loud
No, it's not loud anymore. It's too quiet.
Peace out, everyone.
Turbo inspection time. So that's a pass. That does actually look pretty damn good to me. Stock. Well, it was a good run. I'm leaving the lit kit on because I'm not taking the bumper off, so. Good morning, everybody. Heading to the office. Dude, I worked on this car from 4 p.m. last night all the way to like 9. And had to get up at 5 this morning for work. Crazy, man. 2 years of mods just coming off the car in like hours, but I'm still not done. The rear spoiler, oh my gosh, dude, it was a nightmare. I made a story on it on Instagram, but that adhesive promoter, it was just on there so hardcore. It took probably 5 hours to get off. I even took the oil catch can off. Everything in that video that I posted is gone now, so this is insane. My next car is gonna be my daily, and it's gonna be a secondary car, and the car for the channel will be after that. So yeah, I'm excited for this journey, man. So stay tuned, guys. Look how different this thing looks. And that's with the plasti dip still on the front. I got to remove that tonight, and then all I have to do is remove the plasti dip off the side vent, get off this carbon fuel door. I'm leaving this on the back, the Stinger emblem, but I do got to remove the plasti dip here too. But look, man, that spoiler screwed this thing up so bad. I'm gonna try to clay bar it, compound it, and buff it, and get most of those surface scratches out. But that adhesive took like 4 hours to get off. It was so bad. So just a heads up, if you guys buy a cheap spoiler with adhesive promoter on it, yeah, sucks. Took off the Vivid vinyl, amber delete, got the front splitter, side splitter, rear diffuser, everything is off. Wow, it's like a whole different car. About the only satisfying thing about this job, guys. It's freaking snowing out, guys. This is it, man. This is my last day in the Stinger. It's been 2 years, man. It's been 2 solid years. This is a great car. I'm not ever gonna badmouth this car. I will always love the Stinger. The Stinger's sick, especially if you can get a base GT like this for $43K. I mean, dude, all-wheel drive at that. So this car I'm picking up today is all-wheel drive. I'm not gonna say what it is yet. It's nothing like crazy. It's nothing for a YouTube channel. It's just a daily driver, and I'm responsible. It's like 32 degrees, freezing. This is insane, but I'm all-wheel drive. I gotta have all-wheel drive, dude. Indiana's crazy. Ooh, look at that Audi. I love Audis, man. All of them. I just can't believe how smooth and powerful this car is and how much this all-wheel drive just plants. Dude, last Saturday I did a POV head strap. Like, I drove like a freaking maniac. The hardest I've ever been on this car. Like, I probably shouldn't have done that. It would have been such a sick vid. And then I accidentally formatted the damn internal storage on it, so I lost it all. But I'm not a quitter. I went back out and I put the head strap on, and I did a few little pulls, mainly kind of like an overall review of what I thought of the car, kind of, just like a quick video. I'm gonna upload that too. Oh, someone's blowing loud as f. Dude, what the hell? Alfred Hitchcock. the bird. It's like they don't know what to do. They're going insane, dude. They gotta go down south, dude. It's like 32 degrees out. This is it. Say goodbye to the Stinger. Picking up that knot. I'm stealing this though. So to the next owner, this little Stinger book is mine for memories. I left you a little note in the glove box too. See you on YouTube. All right, man. So we're at Napleton Kia. Shout out your name, bro.
Bill Smizer, Napleton Kia, baby.
All right.
New BMW for Nick, folks. We made it happen.
Hey, wait, what's that? There's something in here for the haters. All right, boys, that's it. Say goodbye to Twin. It's been great. Bitch sounds fire.